Hi everyone, this is Rose from Ohana. Welcome back to my channel.
So we're gonna be going somewhere today before school starts.
Yeah, maybe a park or a beach or I don't know.
It
could be anything.
We're doing the beach.
Yeah,
Alright,
probably best
so
one.
just follow us and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Yep.
Tara na!
And the notifications.
That's right.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Welcome Ohana family. This time we're going to Beverly Triton Nature Park. Let's go!
Oh, nature park. Alright, see you there at the beach.
Hello! At this time we are in the parking lot going to the beach.
So we are going to a beach.
Hey guys, it's really hot out there.
Yes.
We have to go all the way down there.
7 a.m.
Have to keep the memories, kids.
What did I say?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're walking to the beach with the fam. We have a portable bathroom.
China. Or Japanese.
Not China.
Ja-
China is
Japan.
Chow.
It's Japan.
Yep, you got that right.
I have one of those in
All right, this place is a dog friendly. Did you see the water?
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Right there.
It's really good.
Beverly Triton Nature Park. Situated on the Chesapeake Bay, Beverly Triton Nature Park offers passive recreation such as walking trails, car-top boat launch, and fishing. It opens 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to sunset, closed on Thanksgiving and Christmas Day. The park offers hiking, fishing, a car-top lunch, and has a mile of shoreline. Visitors are welcome to wade, walk along, and picnic at the beach. Beverly Triton Nature Park is a natural shoreline and it's not considered a swimming beach. Please respect the wildlife that make the beach their home. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Any place? Visitors must carry all the beach items down to the beach. Please set up on the sand and not in the grass or wooded areas. Porta potties are available near the main stretch of beach. Bring your own drinking water. No drinking water available on site. Fires, grills, and alcohol are not allowed. During the summer months, Beverly Triton Nature Park can reach capacity on weekends between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. So, plan smart and arrive early or later in the day. If the park is at capacity, no more people will be allowed inside even if part of your party has already arrived. Dogs are welcome in the park but must be leashed and under the owner's control at all times, even in the water. Owners must remove dog excrement immediately. Poop bags are available. A picnic area is provided near the main parking area. No alcohol is allowed in the park. Grills and open fires are not permitted anywhere in the park. Approximately 5 miles of natural trails are available to hikers and dog walkers, providing a taste of the many different habitats and wildlife that Beverly Triton has to offer. Hikers are not permitted on natural trail surfaces. Trails are marked by color and with the standard Appalachian Trail marking system. Designated fishing spots are located on Beverly Lake, Deep Pond, and the Chesapeake Bay. All ponds are brackish water and require a Maryland Chesapeake Bay and coastal sport fishing license. Fishing line recycling is available at each designated fishing location. Please do your best to pick up trash and avoid compacting vegetation around our fishing areas. The car top launch is a short drive down the main entrance road, where you can load and unload your equipment. It is a short carry from the loading area to the water. All parking is located at the front entrance gate during the week and in the field across from the gate on summer weekends. Parking is primarily on compacted gravel. Overflow parking is on grass or mulch. No trailers are allowed. Beverly Triton Nature Park at the eastern tip of the Mayo Peninsula has become the poster child for water access issues in the country. The park can provide both nature and recreation opportunities, but the key is striking a balance between a recreation and conservation of this fragile landscape. Most waterfront on the Mayo Peninsula is already developed. Beverly Triton Park was once a privately owned, heavily developed, exclusive recreation area that also became the target of development until it was preserved by several forward-thinking county leaders who understood its public value. The park was purchased using a combination of state and federal tax funds for land and water conservation. The state's open space program first prioritizes the acquisition of ecologically valuable lands and watersheds, but acquires other lands for their recreational, cultural, historic, educational, and water access value. Beverly Triton Nature Park encompasses all these values. Today, the park is open to the public and frequented by hikers, dog walkers, anglers, kayakers, kite surfers, and families who picnic and walk the beach. The park has slowly recovered and also provides habitat for ospreys, eagles, herons, and horseshoe crabs. In fact, the county could do more to use the park for outdoor education and a place to learn more about nature, wildlife, and our water-based heritage. Beverly Triton Nature Park is not a swimming beach. Water quality is often a concern, and extensive erosion of the shoreline due to poorly designated breakwaters has resulted in most of the area between the breakwaters and what remains of the shoreline. Instead, the county has provided more opportunity for swimming at nearby Mayo Beach Park, which was developed for swimming and water access. The 5-mile-long Mayo Peninsula is only accessible by a 2-lane road, East Central Avenue or Road 214, which is often clogged by traffic. And when the building moratorium on the peninsula was lifted by former county executive administration, new construction took off. If you plan to wade and walk to the beach, this is the place. But as far as swimming, you can't swim in here because there is a lot of jellyfishes and other habitats living here. Beverly Triton Nature Park is not a swimming beach. That's why there's a lot of jellyfishes living in here. Despite of that, kids are still having fun in the water. And also, this is a beautiful place. It is very relaxing. As you can see, there is a lot of people in here. This place is also best for your 4-legged friends. If you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.
You said 80! Mom, I'm short.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, see.
There's nothing in here.
It's so sticky.
I know.
Oh, gotta follow it.
Hello.
Oh, gotta follow it. I tripped. We're here. Why is there many holes? I know. Oh wait, guys, have a good idea. All of us, let's sit down. Hey, down me. Then we have to say how. This is a game that me and Nathan invented. Now it's more surprise. You have to say. You have to keep. It's basically how much.
It's beautiful in here. Refreshing.
Oh. Well, I want to go back and get a drink. I want to go back in. Wait, I just see it.
Please follow us for more for another adventure, mukbang, challenges, and science projects. Water is really refreshing.
It's not clean. It's not clean. Nobody's stealing it. Only I have it because I'm a god. Yeah.
Look what we found.
Soggy orange. You can eat this, but it looks like brain to me. We're just resting at this time. It's really hot. Do you know what kind of spider is this?